Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be using the Miso Fleek Spring Collection by Starr. Keep on watching to see how I got this look. First, I'm going to moisturize my lips using a Revlon lip balm in the flavor strawberry. Then after that, I'm going to be using the Aveeno SPF moisturizer along with the NARS Radiance Primer that also has SPF. This is one of my favorite face primers to use because it works well with my dry skin and it keeps it hydrated. Then I'm going to be using this Morphe eyeshadow primer and apply that all over the lids and follow that up with this Wet n Wild eyeshadow in the shade called Creme Brulee and use it as our base color. Next, I'm going to be grabbing this LA Girl Eye Looks palette and I'm going to be using the brown taupey shade for the crease of the eye, and then diving into the Starr eyeshadow palette, I'm going to get the mauve color, put that on the crease as well, and then picking up that hot pink color, I'm going to apply that all over the lid and make sure it's nice and opaque. Then I'm going to pick the pink shimmery color at the top left. Next, I'm taking my CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made Foundation in the shade L50 and I'm just going to dab that all over the face. And then follow that up with my Kylie Cosmetics concealer in the shade Pine Nut, and I'm just going to apply that on my T-zone. Once I'm done blending that up, I'm going to use my Fenty Cosmetics translucent powder and apply that to my T-zone as well. Now, taking my MAC Studio Fix powder in the shade C3, I'm going to brush off the translucent powder with it. And then after that, I'm going to grab my Too Faced bronzer and apply that to my forehead and under the cheekbones. Next, I'm taking my MAC blush in the shade Love Cloud and I'm going to be applying that to the apples of my cheeks and follow that up with the Stila Kitten highlighter and applying that to the top of my cheekbones, the tip of my nose, and my cupid's bow. Now, taking the royal blue shade from the palette, I'm going to be using that color and applying it to the lower lash line for more pop. Now I'm taking my Kylie Cosmetics lipstick in the shade Flirtini, and last but not least, I'm just going to spray my face with some MAC Studio Fix and I'm all done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I really tried to stick to the palette as much as I could and just use the colors from it. Please subscribe and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!